Seems that today we have like a Polina Gagarina week here in the channel. Was not on purpose. This video was had the title in Chinese or in another language that I cannot identify. So let's watch and react, and I hope you did enjoy. If you don't know what I'm talking about around here, you're gonna find another video that tells you a little bit more, show another reacts that I did already in Polina, that she's just amazing.
Песен еще не написанных сколько? Скажи, кукушка, пропой. В городе мне жить или на выселках камнем лежать, или гореть звездой. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так. Рассвет встречаешь.
I'm sure I know this song. I recall that oh my god. Breathe. Okay, speaking words. I recall that I was like so excited about this song because it reminded me so much like Nightwish. Was like a Russian version of melodic metal or music that I like, that I enjoy a lot. And yeah, I could not stop watching. It was like so hypnotic. She is a great musician. She's a great artist, has all this stage presence that is unique for her, is interesting, is intense, is emotional, and I like that. It was fun. Feel free to talk to me, to give me your perspective on this on the comment section. Your comments are a very nice way to support this channel. And I see you today, later, maybe. Check out this or this or this. Bye bye.